Thousands of years ago, people had no wheels. Every heavy object had to be carried by hand. Moving giant rocks and heavy logs was very hard. It took many people and a lot of strength. One day, a round log rolled down a hill. Everyone watched in surprise. Could this be the answer? The villagers placed a heavy stone on rolling logs. Wow, it moved much faster and much easier. A clever young inventor had a wonderful idea. What if we make a perfect round piece of wood? Using simple tools, he carved 2 round wooden wheels and joined them with a strong axle. Together, the villagers built the very first wooden cart. It was ready for its first test. The cart rolled smoothly, carrying heavy rocks with ease. Everyone cheered with excitement. Soon, people used carts to carry food, water, wood, and crops. Life became easier every day. With wheels, people could travel farther, trade more, and build bigger towns and stronger communities. As time passed, the wheel became part of chariots, bicycles, cars, trains, and many amazing machines. Today, the wheel helps move our world every single day. One simple invention changed history forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.